This is Brian McGlenn here at MarineMax in Stuart. Today I'm standing in front of a new trade. This is a 2014 Key West 244 Bluewater. Great option for someone looking for a nice center console, capable of going offshore. This boat has a nice bow flare, very aggressive dead rise, so a really nice offshore riding boat. As I mentioned, new trade. The owner of this boat was very meticulous. He was part-time here in Florida, so it was used 4 to 5, 6 months a year. The rest of the time it was kept indoors in storage. The Yamaha 300 was just recently serviced. Has about 775 hours. The Yamaha 300 is probably one of the most reliable engines on the market. The boat was just professionally detailed from the waterline up into the boat, so the boat's shining, looking great, ready for her new owner. Patrick, why don't you get aboard and give them a quick walkthrough? If you would like to learn a little bit more about this Key West, please give us a call at 772-287-4495. Thank you very much.